Hey guys, this is Bushra from Bushras Lifestyle, and today's do-it-yourself video is an Easter craft, which I'm going to show you a beautiful Easter sign. And we need for that these $2 stores alphabets. There are 56 comes in $1, and these are beautiful Easter sign. The hunt tag is on. I bought 6 of them, and there we go with garland bunny, which is 8 pieces. So far we spent $4 on it. So let's start how we made it.
Hi, so we've already painted one, and I'm gonna paint another one.
Back of it.
Yeah, the back of it. We're not gonna paint the front because it's hard to take the sparkles off. So we're gonna do the back. We're using my mom's wearing my acrylic paint, and we put it in, but we added a little bit of water because acrylic paint is thick. So we're just going to paint it. So I'm going on this side because I'm left-handed. Basically, all we're gonna do is just paint it.
And don't worry about streaks.
Yeah, and don't worry about streaks, because if it's thin, because we're gonna keep it as farmhouse style. If it's thick, then you won't really get streaks. But if it's thin, then streaks should happen. You can use watercolor too. I think that will work.
Okay, so here we're all done with the paint, and as I said, don't worry about the painting perfection, because we don't want it. We want to have it look like little farmhouse style, which farmhouse are not perfect styles. So I bought this paint box from Dollar Tree as well. It is for a little organizer. I gave my daughter so less mess she makes now with the painting, as she's a really good painter, does a lot of things. So since we're all done with this, let it dry for like half an hour, because it's acrylic paint, it's gonna be dry really quick. Next step is I just got these bunnies out of the garland. Bunny garland for $1 I bought. Let me show you guys. This is the one I already showed you, felt bunny garland. There are 8 pieces. We're only going to use 6, and then I'm even gonna get ribbon out of it, and all I'm doing, I'm putting my glue gun there. So I am just going to glue it in the center. So let's do it. Okay guys, hope you guys can see it. Here, so I'm gonna put the glue gun behind it, and then put that in the center right there. Right here in the center, we're going to do it. So that's it, not much. Don't use too much glue on it if you want to use this paper again, this piece again, to redo something for you. Okay, I placed all those glue of all those 6 by eyeballing it, and it's already looking pretty. And now what the next part is, we're going to put happy using these alphabet I bought from Dollar Tree. These are the one. I bought 2 packages of them for $2. So I'm gonna start placing them nicely by eyeballing, and then we're gonna put Easter on the bottom. So let's do this. So let's take these signs away, and then let's put right in the center. Okay, happy. I should have placed this A out too, but hang on. Maybe I could redo it. I don't know. If not, it's all good. Happy, and now I'm gonna go for same with the P and all those other things. We are going to place them on these this sign. Here guys, it's already looking nice, happy, and since happy is only 5 letters at the end, no happy could be complete without exclamation mark, and I'm going to do Easter on the bottom. Okay, here is the final. Isn't that beautiful? And guys, I have not seen that anywhere else on the internet, so that's not an inspiration, that's a creation. I really loved how it turned out with the kind of wash out type of paint, and then those bunny butts. So happy early Easter. This Easter is definitely going to be different, but you all will be with each other, with the families. So here is, I put a little touch. Those planters, I had it for long ago. I think one of the TV station gave my husband. He used to work at a TV station creating videos. So, and this is also Dollar Tree Easter cup, or however you call it. That little planter with eggs, I made it. My daughter placed her doll's shoes there, so to throw a color. So here is a little further I go and you can see it. Those are like $6. Total of those 6, and $1 for bunnies, 7, 8, 9. $9 we spent on this, so under 10. Hope it gives you some inspiration. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you to those who have subscribed already. Press the bell button so you can get the you can get to know when I post a new video. And let me know what kinds of video you would like. And all my friends who celebrate Easter, happy Easter to all of you. And please stay safe. Don't run to Dollar Tree to get anything else to make this. If you have it already, awesome. If you don't, it's all good. Take care. Bye-bye.